What's going on, people? It's your boy Big Baby K. We back again. Got the Mustang looking right. I just want to say Happy New Year to everybody. Hope this year brings everybody, you know what I'm saying, what they want. Let everybody come up, you know what I'm saying, get back on track. Hope if this virus knock you off, I hope you get everything back that you lost. And, you know, I hope this year this be way better than 2020. But let's get started what we're going to talk about today. Now, if you have a 2015 S550 to a 2021, whatever year, S550 Mustang, and it's got the manual, I'm gonna tell you the first mod you need to do. It ain't the exhaust, ain't a cold air intake, it ain't even changing the wheels up. The first mod you need to do is change the clutch spring out. The factory clutch springs make this car very difficult to drive. I ain't gonna say it's difficult, but it's kind of, it makes it more work to drive. I should say that. That sounds better. Yeah, it's more work to drive, okay? But when you change the clutch spring out to the Steeda, I'm gonna tell you, man, it makes the car drive so much better. I know I had other videos where I said the first mod you need to do was like put a cane in, air filter in there, and change the exhaust. Scratch all that. I don't believe none of that. The first mod you need to do is change the clutch spring out if you have the manual, because it will make a world of difference, man. I can't show you an install video because I already put mine in there, but I can kind of explain to you how to do it very easily, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people on there that tell you need to get like needle nose pliers. What's going on, man?
Bro, how you doing?
I'm doing all right. A lot of people tell you like you need to get needle nose pliers, compress the spring with the pliers and do all that. I'm gonna tell you a very easy way to do it. I'll show you, you know. It's very easy to do. Okay, now I don't know if I have enough light down here to show you this, but we're gonna try it. Okay, the clutch spring actually sits. That's not gonna work. Okay, bear with me, people. Let's see if I can get my phone and give y'all some light. You know, we're trying to multitask today, so we're gonna get it. Okay. Now, let me see if this works. The lights, let me see if it'll shine right there. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay. Now, let me see if I can get her enough. And you see how difficult it is to film it? It's about that difficult to get to it. So, how about we do it like this? Now, that's the clutch spring right there. Now, I'm not sure if you can see it real good. I hope you can, but you can see it. Now, the best way to do it is to push the clutch in and grab you like a screwdriver or something, and at the bottom of the base of the spring, you know, start prying it to the left. Don't just do it hard, but just ease it off and it's gonna start to move, and then it'll slide off and the whole spring will pop off. And to put it back on, it's very easy. All you gotta do to put it back on is compress the clutch again, compress the spring, and put it on the pedestal. That easy. The whole mod can be done in, man, 5 minutes. The only hard part is if you're gonna try to use the needle nose pliers, it's gonna be hard to get down in that area, especially if you're a big dude like me, you know. But once you get it done, the car drives a whole lot better, man. It drives, it's almost, I'm not gonna say it's like an automatic, but it's close. Shifting is very easy, you know. Like I said, it's a very quick video. I hope this, you know, helps y'all. And if you want to enjoy driving your Mustang better with the 6-speed, change the clutch spring. As y'all can see, it's raining out here. I had watched it, but he took it over. So I'm over here with my brother. We're gonna go ahead and watch the movies. Like I say, everybody have a happy new year and peace out.